Hey, Coach Greg here with Fall Training, and today we have a total upper body workout. This is gonna be a little longer, but this is gonna be fun. By the end of this, you're gonna feel stretched, toned, ready to tackle your day, and we are gonna have some fun. We are starting with some arm circles. We're gonna focus on 30 seconds forward, and then we'll switch 30 seconds to the back. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Stand up nice and tall, feet shoulder width apart, arms out to our side, and we are gonna start small with these circles. The name of the game, my friend, is really reach as far to the side as you can. This is really make sure you're elongating, stretching. Now we go medium. Boom. There it is. Push the ground away with your feet. Tense your core up while make sure you're breathing. Now let's go large. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job. We're gonna switch. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Now we go backwards. Same thing, really reach forward. The cool part is, like, depending on whether you want palms down as you go or palms up, you can get different stretches. Some people, this works a lot more than this, but do whatever you want. There it is, go medium, go large, boom. Now freestyle. 3, 2, 1, down. Great job. Shake out your arms. Next, we have some chest openers. People forget that you have to stretch the top of your chest. Sometimes it can get tight, but also helps with your back as well. So I'll show you how to do that in just a second. And by just a second, I mean right now. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So keep your arms out in front of you right here. As you can see, I kind of rounded my back, and all I'm doing is bringing my elbows back, elongating and really stretching my chest, keeping it open, almost squeezing my shoulder blades in the back together. Boom, just like this. If you want, you don't have to use your elbows. You could just keep a straight arms like this, but this just helps me make sure I'm really getting that stretch. Over. Honestly, that feels great. But it's also like an isometric squeeze as well, so you're also working out your arms and your chest and back at the same time. So let's do one more. 3, 2, 1, drop. Oh, my arms already feel dead. Next, we have some diagonal arm stretches. Again, very similar to the chest opener. A lot of people forget that there's different planes of motion with your body, and sometimes you only focus on the horizontal and vertical, but we can go diagonal. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So arms out in front. We're gonna focus on opening up diagonally. Bring it together, switch to the other side, just like this. Boom. Just like with our arm circles, keep your arms as far forward as you can. You're gonna feel that tension the whole way. Your triceps are gonna be crying right now. Mine are. I'm like, Coach Greg, stop it. Stop. I'm like, no, I'm doing this because I love you. 3, 2, 1, and down. Next, we have shoulder shrugs. Give our arms a break. Focus on these bad boys. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're gonna focus on bringing basically your shoulders to your ears. Drop them down, elongate your neck. Bring them up again. Give it like a second, just to really feel them. Boom. There it is. If you want, you can incorporate some shoulder rolls with that. So shrug up, roll forward, back and down. Boom, you can switch sides or do the opposite direction. Just like this. 3, 2, 1, down. Oh, I just unlocked my neck. That feels amazing. Next, we have some bicep curls. Now, the name of the game, not the name of the game, we were trying to stay away from weights or resistance bands. Basically, no equipment for this workout. So we can go more of an isometric squeeze here with these bicep curls. We go 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So you can do normal bicep curl just as it is. Hinging from your elbow and just squeezing. But a trick that helps me is clasp your hands together, bring it up to your solar plexus on your chest, and just pushing your palms together and pushing straight down. And you can see my biceps are activated. So just like this, really press, boom. And you don't need any weights. This will get you nice and toned, but you have to make sure you're squeezing and pushing. 3, 2, 1, done. Whew, great job. Oh, look at that, already got a pump. Next, we have some tricep extensions. We worked out the biceps. Let's work out the triceps. All right, hinge from our hips. We go 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Palms facing up, flat back. We're just extending like this. Boom. If you want, you can also just hinge from here as well. Really get a squeeze. Whatever you prefer. Some people just like to stay back here. Maybe you have something wrong with your shoulders or your elbows or something like that. Then this will also work out your triceps with minimal pain. But if you want, focus more on the squeeze, the hinging. 3, 2, 1, done. Next and last, we have front raises. Stand up nice and tall. 3, 2, 1, arms out in front. We are raising our arms at least parallel to our shoulders. Boom. You can have palms facing down, palms facing each other, palms facing up, whatever you like. Boom. But again, reach forward. You want to feel it right up here in your shoulders. If you have any pain or discomfort, then don't do this. But also changing the angle sometimes changes. You know, for example, you can stop, but when I was dealing with my rotator cuff, there are certain angles that gave me pain, but then other angles I was able to perform perfectly, which allowed me to strengthen the muscles that need to be strengthening while still keeping those other muscles, you know, in bed as they rested and got better. So there you have it. That's your first set. Let's grab some water and then let's get started with set number 2 right now. Arm circles forward. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Arm circles backwards. 3, 2, 1, go. Chest openers, 3, 2, 1, go. Diagonal arm stretches, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoulder shrugs, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicep curls, 3, 2, 1, go. Tricep extensions, 3, 2, 1, go. Front raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets down. You are crushing this upper body workout. We have 1 more set to go. Let's finish strong. You got this, I believe in you. Arm circles forward, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Arm circles backwards, 3, 2, 1, go. Chest openers, 3, 2, 1, go. Diagonal arm stretches, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoulder shrugs, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicep curls, 3, 2, 1, go. Tricep extensions, 3, 2, 1, go. Front raises, 3, 2, 1, go. And that is your total upper body workout done and dusted. Give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. Hopefully you loved it as much as I did. My upper body feels great. I'm tired, but I feel stretched. I feel good. I feel ready to go. So hopefully you do too. Go ahead and click notification bell, if you will, for me, just to stay on top of any new videos dropping from Coach Merrick, Coach Cabby, Coach Greg. That is me. And if not, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We'd love to see your support. I mean, like, we know you guys are always commenting, you guys are always liking and encouraging us, and it means the world to us. So we just want to make sure we are giving you the videos that you want to see and work with. So without further ado, I will see you in the next video. Stay strong. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.